About the idea of Storyfy, how did you get this idea? When did it start and how did you spot this idea?
I mean, I was a big fan of Twitter from the very beginning,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and I quickly realized that it's a really geeky thing,
Mm-hmm.
and that it's really complicated. It's not easy for everybody to catch it, but at the same time, there is a tremendous value because it's really an easy way for people to broadcast themselves. They can send a quick, short message, an SMS-like um, message to the world really
Mm-hmm.
easily, and so the result of that is that 99% of the content is crap, but 1% of the content is really good and deserves to be exposed,
Mm-hmm.
deserve to be published, so that the world can know, can understand what is happening in places in the world where we don't have reporters. And so, yeah, I mean, so that's really the beginning and the genius of the idea. And so it first started with Twitter, working with different publishers in a way. How can we kind of translate Twitter into something that people would understand? So that was the original idea, and then as we iterate, using the feedback for users, we realized that our users wanted to have more control and turn the real-time stream that is Twitter or other social
Mm-hmm.
media, social networks, into stories. Because Storyfy, it's really all about that. You know, we live in a real-time world right now. You don't remember what was your timeline on Twitter or on Facebook yesterday almost. All this real-time stream of information is flowing by quickly, but it's
Mm-hmm.
being forgotten. And so when something is happening, when a story is unfolding on social media, you know, like what was happening in Egypt, for example, you want to be able to tell the world what's happening. And a real-time stream doesn't nail it. You need to storyfy it to make a story so that the world can actually understand and can read the story. Um, and and the other thing also that's important with storyfy is because you also want to be able to remember how people reacted to the inauguration of Obama, for example.